Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2019 Ford F-150 King Ranch. Now the exterior color is a blue jeans metallic, and under the hood we have a 5.0 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlights, as well as a pair of LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps with two tow hooks and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Goodyear tires, as well as we have our OEM running boards with our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top, we have our twin panel moonroof, and this King Ranch also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch. We also have a spare fifth wheel underneath, as well as we have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our LED taillights and our power release tailgate. We also have a tailgate step inside, and inside our box we have a spray. We have our tie-down points, as well as we have our LED lighting. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting, power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as we have our power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as we have our blind spot information system. Over at the steering column, we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial, and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings on the left, and on the right we have our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, as well as our 3 garage door opener points, and our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful King Ranch stamp, as well as we have our brown leather, as well as we have a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have our Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, including a heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And down below, we have our controls for our sync display, as well as we can watch a preview of our reverse camera. And down below, we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as we have our air conditioned and heated seats for both driver and passenger. And just below here, we have our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as we have our center console with our console shift lever of 10 different speeds, as well as we have our dual cup holders with ambient lighting underneath, and our center console with our King Ranch stamp, and loads of storage underneath, and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage, as well as ambient lighting and power windows. They also have storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with dual heated seats, dual USB ports, and an AC outlet. As well as we have dual ventilation, keep the air circulating in the rear. And with our 60/40 bench seat arrangement, we have loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful King Ranch, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.